exactly right. Go back to 04, I believe, professional radio Cowboys, world champion, full ladder, medium jump, full time to the PBR organization. Tough radio home. And watching him on Dustin Elliott, you got what it takes.
That's awesome! Nice job, fellas.
DE running in here. Nice replay.
It's muddy. It's
Really?
dirty down there. It's all dirty.
You like to get down in the dirt every once in a while.
I what?
I said, you like to get down in the dirt every once in a while. No, stop. 85 3/4. 85 3/4 from Dustin Elliott. So he now is in the mix as well.
Yeah, in the mix. Ryan McConnell, Colgate, Oklahoma. How about two fantastic seasons back-to-back for this young man?
Those fans are happy in slow motion.
That was awesome. Out of control. That's the name of the building.
Hey, by the way, I'm gonna, in just a minute, I'm gonna make a little announcement for tomorrow. Okay?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna make a little request for tomorrow. Good? Are you good?
It's all you. You bet.
Ryan McConnell. Ready to start his 2011 campaign.
That ain't how you're going to start. Ryan McConnell. Obviously.
Here's my request for tomorrow.
Okay.